Hey everyone, I just wanted to share with you an update on teachingbooks.net. So teachingbooks.net is one of our digital resources that has a lot of different options for resources that go along with books. So let me take you back to the home page. When you come in, it will ask you either for your building code number or it might identify you as an Iowa resident. To access the materials, you're simply going to browse the resources. Now, what we're going to focus on today are just books that are read aloud for students. And so off to the left-hand side, I'm actually going to click on Books, and we're going to do a couple search features to help us narrow down. What's kind of neat about this one is, we've looked at some of the different materials that go along with those books. The videos now are pretty strong in just doing those read louds for us. So for this one, I'm going to click grade level, and we're early childhood, so I'm going to click pre-K2, and again, it will filter that down for us. But now I want you to continue to go down to, you can see there's a lot of different resources to search by, but we're going to take a look at book readings, specifically complete book readings, and I'm just going to check that. Now you can see the sort that we have. There's quite a few options for us. One of my favorites is the snowy day, so let's click here. What it does is it shows you all of the different options we have. So for the snowy day, this one has videos of it being read through American Sign Language, the book being read in Spanish, as well as the complete video of the book being read. So let's take a look at one of those. What you can see is that it automatically will pop up. You can also copy the link. So let's say that you don't want to listen to it in teachingbooks.net. You can open that in another window. The other thing that this has as a resource are all of the other wraparound resources. So if we want to just kind of take a look again, this one automatically opened book readings for us, but when I was talking earlier, you can see that it has original resources from teachingbooks.net, author interviews, even book guides, lessons, and activities for you to use as you're going through the book with your students. So you can see there's quite a few options that teachingbooks.net is already recommending for you. So if we keep going, there are some book trailers. They're just little teasers, as well as books and websites that are linked to it, and any awards that the book might have earned since it's published. So I just wanted to share that with you for teachingbooks.net, specifically taking a look at the resources, but also these book readings and how versatile they are, and just a wealth of resources for you. All right, I hope this helps, and we will catch you next time.